This quick, simple, but powerful practice for yin, for the back, the hips, and the legs will give you some release of tightness and tension. So join me, and if you wish, 2 blocks can come in handy. I'll show you the practice without the blocks in case you do not have any with you. But let's begin in butterfly pose by bringing the soles of the feet together. With a straight spine and the sit bones anchored into the earth beneath you, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, bring your chin to your chest. Very gently coming forward, allowing the head, the neck, and the shoulders to release and relax. Gravity is supporting you. And as you're beginning to let go in this posture, what is it you wish to focus on in this short practice today? What are you seeking? Create that in your heart and in your mind, and continue to stay focused on that intention. On the next inhale, release the pose, coming to a straight spine. Extend the legs out in front of you. Anchor your sit bones into the earth beneath you. With a straight back, close down the eyes. Take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, coming forward into caterpillar. And as you release into the pose, relax the feet. Enjoy the gentle stretch of the neck and the shoulders. Releasing any tension in the neck, the shoulders, the back, the hips, the legs. Stay focused on that intention that you set at the beginning. At the same time, allow the breath to go deep. Deep into the body, bringing that healing energy to release any tightness and tension. On the next inhale, very gently roll it up, releasing the pose, coming to a straight spine. Pausing there a moment. And then coming over onto hands and knees into tabletop. Making any micro movements that intuitively feel right for you before moving into dragon pose. And this is where the blocks can come in handy or not. Your choice. And when you're ready, take the right foot and step it on the outside of the right hand. You can extend the left leg behind you, allowing yourself to feel this release in the hips. With the blocks, you can come up on the long side of the blocks with your hands resting there. And tucking the chin into the chest and releasing. You can also position the blocks on a lower height if that serves you. Find that point of resistance, and once you find that point of resistance, tuck the chin into the chest and release into the pose. If the mind wanders, use that intention you set along with your breath to release into this moment so that you can let go of any tension and tightness. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose, coming back through tabletop. Make any micro movements unless you're ready to go straight into the left side. Honor your body, listen to your body intuition. This is your practice. I'm just here as a guide. And when you are ready, if you're not there already, when you're ready, take the left foot on the outside of the left hand and check where you want your blocks to be or not. If you're not using the blocks, you can also just allow the hands to rest in the earth beneath you or up on your fingertips, whatever suits you and whatever works for your body today. And once you find your point of resistance, tuck the chin into the chest and release into the pose. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose, this time coming back into child's pose. Relax into this stretch, at the same time releasing any tension and tightness. With long, deep breathing, bring that healing prana, that healing energy into any tightness, stiffness in the body. And on the exhale, if you need to sigh it out to release. Deepen the breath. And when you're ready, release the pose, coming to an upright seated position. You could be seated on your heels or an easy pose, whatever suits you. And once you find that magic place to anchor down, to close down the eyes, resting the palms facing up on top of the knees, focusing on what it is you were seeking in your practice today, and giving yourself permission to be flexible in body, mind, and spirit, with the choice too that you can practice this simple sequence anytime to release any tightness and tension in the body or the mind or the spirit. Stay with that intention for a quick moment. And then bring the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center and bow your head towards your heart, honoring yourself for taking the time to make yourself more flexible physically, mentally, and emotionally, and releasing any tension and tightness. With a big smile on your face, bowing towards one another. Namaste.